calendar of the Legal Aid Commission. The people of Nalgonda, Naposta, Kayasi, and the nearby areas can stand proud. The Legal Aid Commission
Today, I have the privilege of officially opening the Legal Aid Commission's new Sigatoka office, which has already been operational. The opening of this office marks another major step in my government's efforts to ensure that all Fijians have equal access to the justice system. In fact, we have made it a priority to ensure that the services of the Legal Aid Commission are available in every town and city around the country. With the opening of this office, the residents of Sigatoka and its greater area will no longer have to travel to Nandi, or in some cases as far as Lotoka, to seek legal aid services. Not only was this time-consuming, it was also expensive. And unfortunately, at times, it prevented Fijians from seeking the justice they rightly deserved. With this office now in Sigatoka, we are removing the obstacles of time, of distance, and expense. Equal access to justice should mean just that, justice that is readily available to all. In fact, the Constitution now requires government to provide legal aid services to those who cannot afford to pursue justice. At the end of the day, providing equal access to justice for all Fijians is the responsibility of the government. In order for legal aid to work for the people, to do its job, it has to be adequately funded. It is for this reason that my government will ensure that the Legal Aid Commission has the staff, has the facilities and funds it needs to assist people who cannot afford the services of a lawyer. Over the last few years, we have steadily increased funding to the Legal Aid Commission, from $800,000 in 2012 to $2 million in 2013 to a record $4.4 million this year, which is the largest allocation for legal aid in Fiji's history. This funding has allowed for a huge expansion of legal aid services in Fiji, which this new Sigatoka office is part of. It is the 5th new legal aid office that my government has opened since 2006. Like the others, it is modern, well-resourced, and fully staffed with lawyers and support staff. It has facilities to accommodate clients, including rooms for clients to protect their privacy and enjoy confidentiality. Legal aid offices now provide legal assistance in areas of civil law, which was not done before, such as drafting of wills, taking out letters of administration, probate matters, and assisting with FNPF withdrawals in absence of nomination. Apart from this, legal aid also provides legal representation in family and criminal law matters, as well as offering advisory services in all areas of the law. But we are not stopping here. The expansion of legal aid services will continue. I've been informed that the Savu and Navu offices have been completed, and I'm pleased to announce that I will shortly be officiating the opening of these 2 offices. Also, 3 more offices are being planned for Nasinu, for Tavua, and for Taviuni, which we anticipate to open by July this year. This amounts, ladies and gentlemen, to a radical transformation of the legal aid system in Fiji, and it's something I'm personally very proud of as your Prime Minister. For those who qualify, it's all free. Ladies and gentlemen, my government remains firmly committed to providing equal access to the justice system for every Fijian, in particular for those Fijians who are unable to afford the services of a lawyer, in particular for those Fijians who are underprivileged and marginalized. And now I have much pleasure in officially declaring the Sigatoka Legal Aid Commission office open. Thank you.